is 4:58 in the morning and I'm getting ready to go running with my sister. I have a problem. I just love DoorDash and I have a serious orange juice addiction, and since I was getting orange juice I was like, well, I'm gonna get an Americano and an apple pie, and it just turned into like a whole thing, you know? Americano. Oh, I meant to get an iced one. Oops. Oh well. Hot is good too. Cool. So I'm splurging on apple pie. Oh yes, absolutely delicious. I'm going to try and pour this hot Americano over ice and see what happens. I got this Americano with no cream, but I did get caramel syrup added to it and it is delicious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Hey guys, so I just did a festival look for one of my videos. I need to go to the grocery store, so I'm going to go like this because why waste the makeup sitting at home, right? Well, I mean, obviously I'm going to have my own little festival dance party, but after that, I need to go grocery shopping. So let's go do that! It won't focus on them, just focusing on you because you're so cute. Yeah. They're super festive, huh? Do you like them? Oh, thank you for the shake. Thank you for the shake. You want a treat? So I am back from the store. My nephews are in the pool right now. I have the window open, making sure they're all okay. And I am making macaroni and cheese for lunch. I am making 3 boxes. I have already boiled the water and poured it in. Basically, this is cooking with Heidi, and you're right, it never goes well. Oh, stop. Okay, so now I have to drain the water, which I never look forward to doing. So, here we go. Oh my goodness. Woo! I caused a disaster. All right, here I go, straining macaroni. Wait, let's turn off the stove. Da, 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 da. They're emerging from the pool. Things just got interesting. What time is it? It is 12:19. Okay. Oh goodness, I don't know what I did, but we're just gonna cover it back up. Something's happening. Okay. Shh. And here we go. Oh, that was a mistake. Buddy, aren't you gonna come help me, dog? I'm obviously struggling. Let's pretend it never happened. Stir the macaroni into 6 cups of boiling water. We did that! Oh my gosh, we're so on top of it. 1/4 cup of margarine. Dark side of the moon. 4th times 3. 3 1/4. Timmy, what's 3 times 1/4?
3/4.
Aha! Brilliant! So I'm just gonna do 3 really big spoonfuls of butter. One of my nephews just told me that he doesn't like macaroni and cheese, and I told him that he's un-American.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me make the mac and cheese.
Yeah.
This is called ourselves not following the directions, and we're just gonna plop. And we're just gonna hope for the best. We have to do something with these, like pouring it in. We're doing something times 3. Cool. Which means we're just going to pour it and hope for the best. 1 Mississippi. Alright, it's looking snazzy. We are playing Risk, and so far I have Egypt. Oh, so I'm doing good. A little Egypt right here.
Oh my god.
I'm very proud of it. You know what? I don't appreciate that. And then this is my little guy over in...
He's dead!
She's gotta take a video while she still has it because it won't be long.
Exactly. I gotta remember that he existed. Alright, we're putting on another show. Brought all my costumes.
Cozy woozies! It's a lot of them.
Yes.
Isn't it fun? It's the ghost. This kitty was playing with my finger.
Hello, Ash.
Oh, really nice.
Oh, look at your pretty eyes.
Oh, you died.
This is Flash. Hi, Flash.
That'll be fun because you can just get it. So, I like this one because it's very soft. You should make his birthday in August. Hi, baby. Hi. Who's in here? Who's that doggy? Is there a doggy in here?
Who's that doggy?
You pretty ears.
He's pretty cool.
So I'm going to the grocery store and I'm going to Redbox and I'm going to see a friend to watch a movie and this is what I'm wearing because what else do I have to dress up for, you know? I'm going to go because I am late. As always. It's just like really weird being in the car after you haven't been in the car for a while. You know?
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's really not.
I'm doing green now. My Red Bull matches my nail color. Kiwi apple. Going through the car wash. I'm making Mother's Day cards for my sisters and my mom. I still have to make one more. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching and subscribe if you would like to. I will see you in the next vlog/video. Hope you're having a great day. Bye!